Basic Truck Rescue. Just a quick update on Lou's truck. Hear how high it's idling? That's how you know Lou's truck's running right. I've been working on this truck pretty much since he got it. I've been working on this truck for a couple of decades, and I've tuned it up a lot of times. Jamie and I came out and got in it the other day. We were going to go get some hay or something, and click, click, nothing. The battery had expired of old age. Anyways, it needed a tune-up. Hear it changing? It needed a tune-up, so I gave it a quick tune-up, put a new battery in it, fired right up, and the charging system's working good and everything. But it is idling high, but it's always done that. It's been my experience that Fords are a bit cold-blooded, but even when this truck is optimally tuned, you have to pump the heck out of the gas pedal when it's cold to get it to start. Then you got to play with the gas pedal a little bit to keep it running, and you got to hit that spot where it's on high idle and it sounds like it's over revving, and then you just got to let it do its thing for a couple of minutes, preferably 5, and then you kick the throttle one time, it idles down and runs good. We were having trouble with it popping and stalling when we were taking off from a start. I'm hoping I have that fixed now, and I'm going to run it down to my neighbor Randy's paint shop and see what we can do. I can't afford to have the whole truck repainted, and last time it needed touch-up and stuff, I did it myself outside, but it's winter, it's been pouring down rain out here, and I'm going to take it to Randy, and hopefully he can cut me a deal on at least making it look a lot better and keeping it from rusting. So let's go down there. It's running pretty smooth though. It's a good looking truck, except for all that stuff going on right there. And like I said, I repainted the top for Lou many years ago, probably about 10 years ago, and it's held up well, but I just don't want to do it outside, and honestly I don't have the time. I'm trying to get back to work on my building over there when it's not pouring down rain, and I'm also trying to move trucks out of here, and I'll be back. Well, actually, stay with me. I'll show you. Yeah, she sounds good. Lou loves this truck. Oh, by the way, I just talked to Lou, and they moved him to another room. That's good. That's actually about right there. Okay, let's get some defrost going. Anyway, I just talked to him. I'm gonna ask people to send him some more cards, please, because it really cheered him up last time when everyone did that. And thank you so much, because it did cheer him up. I know it did. Anyway, let's get down to Randy's, and we'll see what we can do about making this thing look a little better for old Lou. We'll go ahead and let her defrost. Here, I'll high speed the defrost for you. Actually, I don't have enough battery to do that. I'll be back. Peace out. Yeah, she's doing a lot better now. We had trouble with it. You used to have to flutter the gas pedal when you took off. And now you can just stop, roll on into the throttle slowly, and it's running real smooth. I think Lou will like this. I'm sure hoping he gets a chance to come home and drive his truck again. And in the hopes that he will be able to do that, let's go get her prettied up. I don't want Lou's truck out here trying to get trucks off the property. Of course, that's different. He's my dad. But I will feel better with this thing running and driving well to take it home to my mom's house and maybe put a cover over it, so that Lou's truck is safe at home, and also so that my mom has a truck to use if she needs one. Although she shouldn't be using a truck without calling me, because we have trucks, and I'm assuming if she needs a truck, that's something I could be loading and unloading for her. But anyways, I'll come back when we're down at my buddy Randy's house, and hopefully next time you see this truck, it'll look a lot prettier. I'll be back. Well, I was all proud of myself for how the top was holding up, and Randy, first thing he did was climb up in the bed and say, "Yep, top's not doing so good anymore." Anyway, all those white flecks right there are just blossoms or something off the trees. They scrape off, actually. She does look rough, though. I think we both kind of agreed that maybe just sand the bed down and some spray on bed liner. I can do that, Randy. Not the sand it down part, but the... No, actually I can't, you know. I don't want to count on having to do this outside. You know, I don't have any place inside to work. And basically I want to get it looking good. Now it's running real good and driving good. I just want to get it looking good and back to my mom's house, you know, because I worry about it. No, I do. If I didn't, I probably would have hauled that cab over engine home with it, but I was just thinking, man, I could hurt somebody, I could hurt myself, and I could hurt Lou's truck. Just getting some before video on it. It's a really solid truck. It doesn't have any rot on it anywhere, but just that screwy mid-80s paint. And they all had problems with that, right? All three of the big three, Chrysler, Ford, and GM, all had the same issue, and they had it on cars too. It just seems like it was certain colors, though, huh?
No, I'm not really sure.
He says, I don't care. Made business for me. All right, we're gonna talk turkey. Gobble, gobble. Then I'm gonna get out of here and leave this thing in the right hands. This is why we let Randy handle the paint. Look at that. The guy's a perfectionist. Man. I don't know if he sprayed this himself, but this is the consistency of all the paint jobs that I see coming out of his shop. Just beautiful. I got a 79 Z28 Camaro with it. I've been paying for the paint job on the installment plan for about a year and a half now. I'm getting closer all the time, but we're not going for this kind of a paint job for Lou's truck, but I do want it to look better. This is the truck all those orange parts are going on right here. What year did you say it was, Randy?
67.
67 Dodge. D100?
I don't know. Pretty hard on now.
It's going to be beautiful.
That's probably the blue she left on your Camaro.
You know, that doesn't hurt my eyes too bad.
A lot of people like it.
Jamie loves this car every time we go by here and it's outside.
Inside. It's got like 30,000.
Wow. Nice color combo, huh? Yeah, every time we go by here, then this thing's outside, Jamie's oohing and awing it. The blue that I like is just a hair lighter. I saw a Marina blue car. I forget what I was watching, but it was Marina blue, and I think Marina blue's about it. Although I did see a Volkswagen that they said was Marina blue, and it wasn't. It was baby blue. I was like, that is not Marina blue. That's beautiful, though. Finally got this thing over here, huh?
Yeah.
No, I want the stick. I want that stick. Can I have that, Anna? Can I have that stick? Bring it here. Bring it to Dad. Bring it a little closer. Just a little closer. Don't eat the stick, Anna. Don't eat the stick.